Hello everyone, welcome back to Kele Kitchen. Yes, if today is your first time to this channel, this is Kele Kitchen, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you very much in returning to watch all our videos. Thank you, you mean so much to me. Yes, what do we have in today's menu? Twisted bread. See how it's looking, so good. This is an easy bread that all your family members, your friends gonna like well. And here are the list of the ingredients you are going to use to make this delicious, soft, fluffy bread. Let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, I have some warm water. I added yeast and I mix it. Now I have sugar. You add your sugar. And this is oil. All the lists and the quantities you need for this super delicious bread are all well listed in this video and also in this description box. They are all there. And I would like you to like our video, share our video, comments, and also subscribe to our channel. Put on your notification bell so that you can be the first to be notified whenever I post my videos. As you can see, we are now mixing the dough. You can use your hands to mix the dough if you don't have the mixing machine. Yes, here is just my hand and you are good to go. So after mixing the dough, you have to knead it again for 8 to 10 minutes so that your dough can be well ready for the bread. As you can see, I am mixing the dough. You just mix it gradually. Yes, I would like you to give us a shout out. We would like to know where you're watching our video from. Just give us some comments so that we can give you a shout out in our next video. Yes, as you can see, we have mixed and it is ready. I put the dough in the mixing bowl, added 1 teaspoon of oil so that it will not dry when it is rising. So after adding the oil, you turn it together. Make sure the oil cover the whole part of the dough and it will sit and rise for 1 hour. Yes, our dough has been sitting for 1 hour. So you return the dough back on your working surface area. Then I cut the dough into 12 pieces so that we can mold the bread into balls. Yeah, if you are still watching up to this moment, I would like you to stay tight because there's one secret ingredient I introduced at the end that makes this delicious fluffy bread so yummy. It brought it to another level of yumminess, if there is any English like that. So as you can see, I'm molding the dough into balls. So you mold and cover it and allow it to sit for another 10 minutes. Then we can now begin to work on it. So after 10 minutes, I took one of the dough, I rolled it with my rolling pin into a circle shape. So after that, you will now turn it, roll it into half circle so that we can begin to cut. You dust it with a little flour so that it will not be sticky. So after now, we have to start cutting in the middle, as you can see in the video. So this will enable us to give it a nice twist form. So as you can see, you start to twist the bread, to twist the dough, twist and twist and twist until you finish. All right, To all my new viewers, if you have not subscribed, I would like you to click the button and subscribe. Subscription is just free. It is free. It will not cost you anything. And then put on your notification bell so that it will give you notification whenever we post our new video. Yes, as you can see in the video, we have finished twisting the bread. Now we are going to fold it and make the shape to look good. Here, as you can see, we're almost done twisting and forming the bread. So if you do your own and it didn't turn out good, just reshape it and twist it again. As you can see here, we have finished shaping the bread. I will do it another time so that you can see how it goes. So just take one of your dough and roll it, add some flour so that it will not be sticky. Then now fold the dough into half, then fold it and then start to cut in the middle. After cutting, you now have to twist and twist and twist. Remember, if you are still watching up to this moment, go to the comment section and type twisted bread. Press the button, like the video, share the video and comment. It will give us encouragement. Okay, now I am twisting it again. Just take one piece and put it inside the other one and bring it out, twist it and twist it, and you are good to go. So easy. Yes, the dough is now ready. We are finished molding the bread, and now I have my egg wash. I'm going to brush the egg so that it will make the bread to have a golden color when after you finish baking the bread. So after applying the egg wash on the bread, you go ahead to bake. Before then, don't forget to preheat your oven. So you preheat your oven to 160 degrees centigrade, and you are going to bake the bread for only 25 minutes. Depending on the strength of your oven, just from 20 to 25 minutes, the bread is done. As you can see, wow, we have finished baking the bread, and see how it looks. So golden looking, yummy looking, delicious looking. Yeah. So when you remove the bread from the oven, you keep it for some minutes, so allow it to cool down. Then after, now is the secret ingredient I told you, that is honey. Yeah, I have to brush the bread with honey so that it will make it to shine. And then after that, I went ahead to prepare the tea. You can serve this yummy, delicious bread with your tea or with coffee, and you are good to go. Just look at how golden and shiny the bread is looking, and look at the inside, very soft and very, very fluffy. Yes, this is a bread that all your family members will just like and finish immediately. You can serve this bread with tea, hot coffee, or you can use it as a snacks. You can use it as a snacks with your soft drinks, and you are good to go. So here Thank you for watching, and this is Kele Kitchen. Here we come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye.